Alright guys, now let's get ready to upgrade our MacBook Pro. So let's start. You'll need some tiny little screwdrivers. Got this little set here. And start by flipping the computer. I'll get this tiny one. You'll need to get all 10 of these tiny screws. Alright, now that we got all 10 screws out of there, here we'll get the inside of the computer. Just go over this really quick. Everything is. Start with this. It's the hard drive, the DVD drive. It's just a little sound bar here with the tiny sub, the fan, of course, the main board here, the logic board, and the battery. Now, what are we really focusing on today is the RAM right here. This green thing. And there'll be two little things on the side that you have to pull them out and it'll pop out. Go grab it. Take it off, put it here. Now the bottom one also, you pull the flaps. And take this one out. We got these. Now the second one was a little bit harder to take out, but not too hard. Just try and get the hang of it. Alright. So now let's get your new RAM and start by opening it. Gotta make sure you're putting it in the right way, so take a look at it, and it would have to go in this way. So start with the bottom one, of course. Obviously we need to put in the bottom one first. Put it in all the way, or the computer will not register it, and most likely, and it will not turn on. Then, basically, crucial facing up, and again, gotta put it all the way in, sure, and then push down. There we go. I put it all the way in. Now I recommend, if this is your first time doing it, you might have not put it in all the way, so just, cover the bottom. I wouldn't put the screws back in yet, just in case you need to take them all out again. Go now. Turn on your computer to test it out. Seems booting up correctly, no beeping or anything. we go. Electronic. Let's go to actually go to System Profiler to check out if it's registering all 8 gigs. And scroll down here to System Profiler. And right here it says memory, 8 gigs. MacBook Pro, everything in. Memory 8 gigs, it registered. I put them in correctly, and if yours only says 4, or however how many gigs you put in, if it's less, then you probably should check if you insert it all the way in. So I hope this was helpful, and thank you for watching.